Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Cash App to TikTok Shop. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the Cash App. Once the app is open, locate and tap on the profile icon in the top right corner of your screen. Once you're on the profile page, look for the share arrow icon. Tap on it, and you'll see an option labeled Copy Cash Tag Link. Select this option, and your unique Cash App link will be copied to your clipboard. Now that you've got your Cash App link copied, it's time to move over to TikTok. Open the TikTok app on your phone and head to your profile by tapping on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your TikTok profile page, look for the Edit Profile button and tap on it. This will take you to a page where you can make changes to your profile settings. In the Edit Profile section, you'll see the option to edit your bio. Tap on the bio field to open it. If you already have text or a link in your bio, you'll need to clear it out first. Once the field is clear, press and hold to paste the Cash App link you copied earlier directly into the bio section. After pasting the link, double-check that it looks correct. If everything looks good, tap the Save button in the top right corner of the screen. This will finalize the changes and update your TikTok profile. And there you have it! You've successfully added your Cash App link to your TikTok bio. This allows your followers to easily access your Cash App profile directly from your TikTok page.